In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter so you can track your work, organize transactions, and see profitability in one place. Let's begin by opening QuickBooks Online in your web browser and signing into your account as you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, sometimes labeled Get Things Done or Home, depending on your version. This is your starting point. Take a quick moment to let everything load so the navigation is fully available. Next, head to Projects. You can get there from the left-hand navigation menu by selecting Projects, or by clicking a Projects shortcut tile on the home display if you see one. Either route takes you to the same place. If the Projects option is not visible in your menu, don't worry. Interfaces can vary by plan and region, and the wording may differ slightly. You're looking for the area designed to group transactions, time, and costs under a single job or client initiative. Inside the Projects area, look for the button labeled Start a Project and click it. A setup window or panel will open, prompting you to fill in the required details. Start with a clear project name. Choose something descriptive so you and your team can recognize it at a glance. For example, include the client name and a brief scope like Website Redesign Q2. Then select the customer this project is for so invoices, expenses, and time entries link back correctly. This connection is what allows QuickBooks to roll everything up into one profitability view. Depending on your setup, you may also see optional fields such as notes or a brief description. Use that space to capture context like goals, locations, or milestones. If a start date is available, enter it to establish a timeline. Consistent naming and accurate customer selection now will save you time later when you filter reports or reconcile costs. Once the required fields are complete, confirm to create the project. QuickBooks will open the project workspace where you'll see an overview dedicated to this work. From here, all related transactions and time entries can be organized under this project, helping you monitor progress and margins over time. That's it. You went to QuickBooks Online, opened projects from the home display or left menu, clicked Start a Project, and filled in the required details. With a solid setup, you're ready to keep everything for this job in one organized place and report on it with confidence.